This is the Lord's doing, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today we are making this healthy green oilless okra soup. Okay, my love for it is overwhelming. This is very simple to make, yet tastes amazingly great. So over here I prep my okra and then I put it on fire. So I have this meat cooked already, so I'll just put in the saucepan, add some little water, add some Onga seasoning. Yeah, this is the 3-in-1. And then I added my blended garlic, ginger, onion, and then I added some salt to taste and my Onga shrimp cube. Then I cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, you can use any meat of your choice, guys. Then whilst my okra start boiling, I added my Ayoyo leaves and then added some little salt and baking soda, just a little. Okay, so our okra is cooked. We just set it aside. Then adding my Onga soya chunk. Yeah, I just soak it a bit. Guys, adding this was the best decision I made. Just try it, okay? So I throw my boiled okra into my asanka, or that is saying, then I'm just going to grind it a bit. I want this green okra to be chunky, so I just grind it like this and then put it aside. Okay, yeah, this is the simplest to do. Guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you so much, and God bless you. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, yes, my love for green oilless okra soup is overwhelming. This is what I take of late, and it's so delicious and yet simple to make. Okay, so we added some mackerel, my Onga soya chunk, then I added some pepper and some onion and allow it to simmer for just 3 minutes. So this is the stock from the Onga beef. Now I add my okra, gently stir it, and voila, we are done. Guys, it's the quickest to make, the simplest and the quickest to make, and it was so nice. It was tasty and it's healthy. Yeah, so I just garnished it some little green pepper and we are gonna serve ourselves. Just look at that. So in the same asanka, I added my banku and then I served myself. Just look at this, Charlie. Yes, this one no long plate and bowl matter be asanka na emwa, and I'm sure me man go so and I'm tea. It was so nice. Please give it a try and let me know. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Okay, this is healthy, tasty, and delicious. See you guys in our next video. Bye bye. I love you.